Okay, so as you can see from up here, I've already done a few of these. I might post some of the other videos of when I'm learning how to do this and getting it down. But this is the fourth one, and I've got it pretty much as good as I'm going to get it. So these are from TVD Vinyl Decals.com. It says very specifically, do not peel the decals, use masking tape to remove the decals. Other thing is that I've been using this Rapid Tac, cleaner application fluid and all this other good stuff. It really says only use this to clean it, and if you read closely, the cheapest kitchen paper towels, no cloths. So just your basic everyday kitchen paper towel should do. So we're going to prep the surface nice and clean. And then, as funny as it sounds that I just did that, I'm now going to load it up with this. So the order we're going to do this in is hardest to easiest. The R is the hardest, followed by the D and then the T. Again, I've done a few of these now, so this is how I know. So we're going to take our Rapid Tac, put a bunch right there in the R. Take our sticker, take our R here, get rid of this. Random L there, that doesn't go to anything. Maybe there's a limited or something, I don't know. But anyway, my truck doesn't need that. So, get it right there along the edge. Get the R peeled off. One of the things I've learned to do is spray the Rapid Tac as I peel it, because this stuff is still sticky and wants to stick to itself. So as long as you keep putting the fluid on it as you peel it, you'll be able to work with it. And again, the R is the pain in the butt. And don't be afraid of the Rapid Tac. There we go. Once you got it floating, you can see you can get it nice and lined up exactly how you want to. Just get it lined up exactly how you want it. Knocking out all that red. So I like the Rapid Tac stuff because it allows me to really manipulate it until it's right where I want it. There we go. So there's the R. What's next? Well, this little bottle's only like $6, and I'm on the fourth one, and I'm barely through like a tenth of it. So the trick is once you're done, just try to get as much of the Rapid Tac fluid off as you can. And basically, as much as you don't want to hear this, everyone, the rest is patience. You have to be willing to sit there and kind of let the fluid disappear and then do the other two letters. Again, I know you don't want to hear that. The only other thing I can do to speed it up a little bit is grab another paper towel. This is a fresh one, and just try to lightly just let it sit there and absorb fluid without really manipulating it in any way, shape, or form. Because if you manipulate it too much, it will pull those letters around. So it looks like we were successful there. We managed to get the A little more of the letter dry. And be super gentle. If there is still fluid underneath that letter, if you push too hard, it will move again. So, gotta go in progressions. Alright, now, so, there we go. R is now perfect. Got the fluid out. It's time to do the D and the T. All right. I am now their biggest super fan. Used to doing vinyl on cars and things like that, and I always just use my own little soap and water mixture, and well, it's not as good as this. I'm never really going back to soap and water. I'm basically going to be using this Rapid Tac stuff from here on out. So again, we got the liquid down. We're ready to do the D. Gonna hit it in the corner. Try to get to peel. If it was easy, everyone would do it. You wouldn't need to be watching me on a YouTube video. There we go, we got it. Okay. There we go. Use the liquid to float it exactly where you want it. You know, like before, try and dry everywhere but that one sticker because it's still very, very much movable. There's still a lot of the Rapid Tac underneath it. Alright. And when you can see a little red, you just kind of poke it and push it in the direction you want it to go. Because that's all we're really doing right now is pushing the Rapid Tac solution out from underneath it to get it to settle into place permanently. Alright. Last one. And lucky for me, I've got 2 of them, because even though I only ordered 4 sets, they sent me 6, which makes complete sense because it took me, obviously, a few tries to get this right. Okay. Last one. Okay. Alright. There we go. Go. There we go, just finishing off this last one. Getting it lined up as we can to get rid of the red. There we go. And what you're doing there at the end is pushing all the fluids out of the stickers, just filling up all the little spaces. You should, as it appears to do, fill in all the little imperfections where you can see the red. There we go. For TRD caps converted from red to matte black. Thank you again, guys. I appreciate it. Have fun, people. Oh yeah, don't forget the Rapid Tac.